Hello there. Today I will be doing a valve check. I'll check the clearances to make sure they're in spec on my KTM 250 EXC-f, and I will be installing the Dirt Tricks cam tensioner. Okay, so obviously you have to remove the seat tank, radiator hose, give yourself some room to get to it. 10mm sockets, this one and this one. But this little one here, you need a ring spanner to undo it. And the little hose thingamajiggy here. This little thing's got to unclamp and come off. And we'll get that off in a second. Okay, now we have the rocker cover off. We're going to get it to top dead center. So there's a couple of marks, one there, one over there. And I'll just give it a little kick just to line them up. Why isn't this kicking over? Oh, that's on. Kill switch is on. Oops, too much. Try and get them close, and I'll use the Kickstarter. Far out. Okay, a bit more. Whoops. Too much. Oh, it's hard to kick. Where the little line's gone. Okay, here they come. A bit more. A little bit more. That's it. Okay, that should be it. Both facing each other. So they should be top dead center now. Okay. Okay, now once you've got it to the top dead center, get your feeler gauges out, and the intake is between 10.10 to 0.15. So this is the intake on the left side here. Now let's try one. You just get it in between there. If you can see. Let's see what that is. And okay, that's a nice snug fit. So that's 0.13. Okay, that's well in spec. Now we'll try the other side. Actually, we'll try on this side. We'll do the exhaust, which exhaust is between 0.12 and 0.17. So let's try 0.13. Okay, that goes in there pretty easy, so it's probably a bit bigger than that. Alright, let's go up a notch. Okay, we'll try 14 now. And that's a nice snug fit. So it's 0.14. Right, that's in spec as well. Now let's try 0.14 on the intake. Yeah, good, nice snug. So that's 0.14 also. Just double check that. Hard to do this with one hand on the camera. Yep, 0.14. Okay, let's go up to the exhaust on the right hand side. Yep, beautiful. That's 0.14 also. That's it. So they're all in spec, which is good. So the only thing that's is making that knocking, ticking sound and idle has to be, hopefully, the stock cam tensioner. So that's why we're installing the dirt tricks, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so now let's get on to the tensioner. So that's the 19, so I'll undo that bolt there using a ratchet spanner because you can't get a socket into there. Okay, it should be enough, should be able to undo it by hand now. Okay, so that's out. Make sure you keep the washer on the same way when you put it back in. Here is the old tensioner. Yeah. Good news, the O-rings come out with it. So that is good news. So yeah, we'll be replacing this with the dirt tricks unit. Okay, there we have it. There's a stock on the right, dirt tricks on the left. Now you have to install the O-ring on the outer side of the ridge. Okay, that plugs into there, and we'll screw it in without the spring. So, get it over here. Make sure I put the dirt tricks in first. Okay, now that I've tightened that bolt up there with the copper washer, put the spring in. Spring in place, and you get the end cap, and carefully try and screw it, bolt it up. Which I can't do it with one hand, so I'll just have to turn this off. Okay, so I've got that on with a bit of difficulty, and we'll tighten that up. Okay, check the cam chain. Yep, it's nice and tight. Okay, it was loose, but now it's tight again, so it must be doing its job. Now, just bolt the ring back on, and we'll give it a test drive. We'll see if it's fixed up the noise. Okay, all back in. I've just put the tank on. Haven't bolted anything down yet. Just want to check and see if there's any leaks. Okay, let's start her up and see what it sounds like. pretty good. So far, let's hope it stays that way. I'll take it for a bit of a run and then bring it back and then check it again. But so far, so good, fingers crossed.